Hi all, my name is Rajesh Kumar, under flagship of English Well India. Today I'm going to discuss about articles. What is articles? Articles is very important part of grammar, and if I'll say a lot of people make a lot of mistakes in using all these articles accurately and precisely. So I feel I need to discuss all about this. So start now. Articles are what? In broader sense, if we'll see, then we'll find article is actually part of executive, extended part of executive, adjective. So, but due to their importance, it has been treated separately. So let's start. What is article? A, an, and the, collectively known as articles. And articles has been classified into two parts. First is indefinite articles and second is definite articles. Indefinite article is what? Indefinite article is a and an, and definite article is the. So as far as indefinite article is concerned, a and an used prior than those words which starts which applied before consonants. And what is there? Like a book, a chair, a table, an ink pot, an elephant, a university. Everybody knows here that there is 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. Those are vowels, and rest 21 letters are consonants. So as far as A is concerned, A used before those words who are consonants, like a book, a table, a chair, and an used before those words who starts from vowels, like an elephant, an ink pot. Few exceptions are also there. I'll discuss later, but this is all about indefinite articles. In other sense, if you'll see, then you will find all somewhat collective nouns, all collective nouns along with like prior than going ahead on collective noun, we have to see all things, everything in the world exists. They all are noun. So if it is a countable, then we use an. For all collecting nouns, we use a and an. A and an used before all singular countable. All countable. Countable means to whom we can count. Like a book, a chair, a table, each and everything which we can count. They all are called countable nouns. And they are singular in nature because a book, a chair, a table. So all these are countable. Uncountable, to whom we can't count, like fish in pond, you can't count. Drop in sea, all these are uncountable nouns. No, drop of water in bucket, you can't count. So all these are uncountable. All right. So as far as articles are concerned, they have some applications also, because if we'll consider a word, a rupee note, 1 rupee note. Before 1 rupee note, a will come or an. By definition, as far as before vowels, if anything appear, we use an. So O is actually a vowel, 1 rupee note, but it is exception. Here, instead of an 1 rupee note, we use a 1 rupee note. The reason behind that is ONE, it pronounced OA, not O. So, whatever it is sounding, whatever it sounds like a consonant. So, we use a rupee note, a 1 rupee note. And same thing, university. For example, U, A, E, I, O, U. U is actually a vowel. So prior than, by rule, there should be an university. But no, it is wrong. We use a university. It is just because U is pronouncing not U, Y, O, U, U. So it is somewhat sounding like a consonant. So we use here a university. And all abbreviations like an LLB, an MBBS, and MA, all degrees, all positions like an MD and CEO, all these abbreviations consist and prior than them. And few more applications are also there as far as articles are concerned, and all these applications are there. Use of a applies before all these singular countable nouns who who have consonant sounds. A boy, a pan, a cow, a horse, a European, all these. And countable nouns are those nouns who could get counted, as I have already explained. So no need to go in that depth. And rest, as far as application part is concerned, nouns have various functions. Just for generalizing anything, we use noun. We use a, and generalizing means there was a king, means we have somewhat reducing value of king. We said there was a king. Then in parallel say I saw an old man. Old man, it is not pronouncing anything, it is pronouncing o here, so it will be an. There was an old man. And a and lot of time used for counting. A and an both are uses lot of time for counting. It is like a stitch in time saves nine. It means today on time whatever we do, it saves a lot of our time and efforts. And second example is Rome was not built in a day. Here it is a. We are using a. It is just for counting. It is not for single day. Rome was not built in a day. Means he will come in an hour or two. He will come in an hour or two. It is also we are counting here. Either one or two. A and an also get used after linking verbs. Linking verbs is what? It is, let's understand through an example. He was a good doctor. Was is a linking verb here. Who is linking? Whole sentence. A doctor. A is appearing here. So all these are actually applications of am and few other applications of articles are there. So all these are what? Prior than superlative degree. And this is all was about a and an. It was indefinite articles. Now let's come to definite article. Definite article is what? That is the. The used before all rivers, seas, famous books, epics, mountains, and lot of memorable, kinda monuments, and sun, earth, or prior than all these, the definite article get applied. Okay, like the sun set in the east. All these are what? All these come under what? Definite article. It is like the Ganga, the Ramayana, the Hindu, the Himalaya. So the used before all these. Okay, and now let's move to one more thing. What is few more applications which they have. We have to discuss all those also. Like when any adjectives appears prior than proper noun, then force of proper noun reduced and we uses the before it. Like the great Akbar. Akbar is here what? Proper noun. Great is adjective. So prior than using the, it's somewhat reduced emphasis of great. The immortal Tagore. Immortal is adjective. When we use the, it is somewhat reduced its value. The immortal tiger. Rest is what? The brave Indira Gandhi. The brave Indira Gandhi is what? Indira Gandhi is proper noun. Brave is adjective. And by using the, we are somewhat diminishing value of brave. So it also used at such a places where adjective appears before than proper noun, and just for reducing that emphasis we use the. It is natural. And next is when common nouns used in expanding major sense, then we do not use articles. We don't use when common noun get used in expanding sense, major sense, like man is mortal. It is in made distinct sense. So we are not using here the. Without articles we are explaining man is mortal. Okay, and a lot of like hospital, church, school, in their real aim sense, what is use of school? Providing education to people, to children. What is aim of church? Church aim is providing peace and prosperity to manpower. So by considering these hospitals, school, and like church, we don't use court. What's the aim of court? Giving justice to people. So by considering aim of these institutions, we don't apply articles in such type of sentences. Let's start. School begins at 7:30. We don't use. We don't say the school begin here at past 7:30. I didn't say that. It is simply we said the school begins at 7:30. We go to church every Sunday. We go to church every Sunday. We didn't say here. We go to the church every Sunday. So because it is somewhat, if we consider its aim, then we don't use the here. And as far as he remained in hospital for 5 days, so it is all about, we don't utilize the also here. So all these were brief description about a and the, and all trio a and the collectively known as articles. And articles mostly used, as far as in my previous lectures I have said, as a determiner. And on broader sense, if you consider, you will find it on, it is part of somewhat expanded executive, not executive, adjective, because I'm from somewhat a business profession, so executive is normal word for me. In fact, I'm trying like grammar and all first time in my life. It is not my necessity for me, but just for my some I have some time, so I feel up to utilize, and I'll post some video and whosoever might be get beneficial, and I'll also revive myself. That's all. So take care, keep smiling, have a great day. Next time we will come with some new subject. Most probably it will be verb. Let's see.